Here it is, the new SCORP 2 from FeiyuTech, the latest gimbal for mirrorless and SLR cameras. If you're a vlogger, traveller or solo filmmaker who likes to travel light, then this gimbal is for you. Firstly, the SCORP 2 is compact. It weighs only 1 kilo but has a load capacity of 2.5 kilos, and when folded up is the size of an A4 piece of paper. The SCORP 2 incorporates the same unique integrated underslung handle and grip from the SCORP 1. The easy-to-use quick-release and lock systems help speed up your filmmaking process. Manually balance your camera by locking in each axis and adjust the dimensions by using the sliding mechanisms. FeiyuTech has further refined the design by including a longer arm and bigger grip for more comfort and clearance for larger cameras and lenses. The SCORP 2 also uses a new algorithmic logic architecture to enhance anti-shake and anti-seismic performance, reducing the amount of vibration. This gimbal really is all you need in one unit. The foldable legs under the handle make changing lenses easy without needing the tripod grip. The new L-shaped mounting plates with an anti-off quick release slider also allows you to quickly swap from horizontal shooting to vertical. The SCORP 2 is incredibly easy to use. Control the entire gimbal with a touch of your finger using the responsive 1.3-inch touchscreen on the handle. The SCORP 2 has all your favourite gimbal modes from flash, pan and tilt, pan follow, FPV follow and lock mode. To manually control the axes, use the magic electric control wheel. Quickly switch between the different axes by pressing the button on the side of the arm. Use the wheel to precisely control the rotation and direction of the gimbal. Create smooth time lapses, panoramas and vlog without holding the gimbal with the SCORP mobile app. Adjust the gimbal settings and modes in the app and review recorded footage on your phone or tablet. Enter motion sensor mode to control the pan and tilt axes to follow the movement of your smartphone. You can now enjoy AI intelligence tracking that is integrated onto the gimbal. This allows you to control the gimbal while filming yourself with simple hand gestures. Simply spread your palm in front of the tracker to start and stop recording. Use the OK gesture to start and stop tracking. The SCORP 2 is jam-packed with features. At an affordable price, it's a really great product for all filmmakers on the go.